Welcome to the tutorial video for GenFarmer, the #1 software for managing and automating box phone systems. In this video, you will get a detailed guide on how to use GenFarmer Instagram Boost, a solution within the GenFarmer package that helps you manage hundreds of real phones with just one computer and perform all marketing tasks automatically on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, without needing any coding knowledge. What is GenFarmer? GenFarmer is software installed on your computer that controls and automates an entire system of real phones. It acts as the brain of your setup, helping you interact with, manage, and operate multiple accounts in a centralized way, saving both time and manpower. Why use Box Phone and GenFarmer? Today, farming accounts through browsers is no longer effective. Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram have developed powerful algorithms to detect fake behavior. GenFarmer combined with box phones, meaning real phones and real behavior, allows you to create truly trusted accounts that operate sustainably and avoid mass checkpoints. GenFarmer Instagram Boost allows you to quickly increase engagement for any video profile. For example, let's say you have a sports-themed Instagram account specifically about football, but your posts aren't gaining reach. Your reels and stories have low views, and your engagement is weak. The AI will automatically interact with reels and profile links through likes, shares, or comments. It will write comments based on your descriptions, helping Instagram automatically recommend your content to the right audience. That's the power of GenFarmer Instagram Boost. In this video, I'll guide you through using the main features of GenFarmer Instagram Boost, including how to set up AI automation scripts, boost profiles and reels, and automatically publish content. Before using GenFarmer Instagram Boost, it's recommended that you warm up your accounts with GenFarmer Instagram Trust for 3 to 7 days. This helps make your accounts appear more human-like and significantly reduces the risk of getting checkpointed. Inside the Account Manager section, select the table where your Instagram data is stored. Click on Setup Automation and choose the package you want to run. In this case, I'll select Instagram Boost. Then click Config App. Next, enter the language you want to use. Here, I'll use English. Keep in mind, this language will be applied to all auto-generated content and comments. Now enter your Google Gemini API key. Paste the links you want to seed. These can be post links, profile links, or real links. You can add multiple links, one per line. In the View Buff section, enter the number of views you want per link. This view count is per account. For example, if you input 10 views and you have 20 devices, the total will be 200 views, but each account will only comment once. Next is the Image Input section. Enter the file paths to at least 3 images from your computer, one path per line. If you don't have images prepared, the AI will automatically generate visuals that match your content. Now comes the Content Spin field. Simply put, when you fill this in, the AI will generate different versions of the content and comments for each account to avoid duplication. For example, I'll use the content spin, Sports Improve Health. Skip the folder path section and move on to device threads. Here, enter the number of devices you want to run simultaneously. For example, 5, 10, or 20. Then click Save. Now select all the devices you want to run, hover over the Run button, and you'll see these options: Post, Seed Link, and Seed Profile. Let's start with the Post function. If you don't provide images, the AI will create all the content from text to visuals automatically. It will randomly perform one of the following actions: post a reel, post to the main feed, or post a story. The AI will also auto-compose images, add music, and make your content appear as real and authentic as possible, without needing manual effort for each account. The remaining 2 functions are seeding post link and seeding profile, which are quite similar. If you input a post or story link, the AI will automatically like, share, and comment based on the content of that post. If it's a real link, the AI will still like, share, and comment, but with an added twist. It will also use algorithms to boost the view count of that reel. For profile links, the AI will randomize actions like viewing the avatar, watching stories, checking saved posts, and selecting a random post on that profile to interact with through likes, shares, and comments. GenFarmer for TikTok and Instagram is not just a spamming tool. It's an AI automation system that mimics real human behavior, complete with detailed personas to create authentic engagement, helping your content go viral organically, generate social proof, and build trust with potential customers so you can close more sales effortlessly.